Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I accidentally left you in the oven, and I got a feeling that you're not going to taste as good as what I'm making today. So in order for me to get you out, I need you to smash the like button and completely decimate the subscribe button. Go ahead, I'll give you a second. I'm waiting. You good? Alright, come out of there, you. Alright guys, welcome to my oven tour. I'm so used to doing van tours, now I'm doing oven tours. Here we got the Camp Chef oven and 2-burner stove. Alright, basically I'm going to flip this up and show you. We got 2 burners and we have an oven that's advertised, I believe, to go up to 425 degrees or 450. I could be wrong, don't quote me on that. I believe there's enough room to fit about a 12-inch pizza in here. Pretty decent size. It's about 32 pounds, which is a good size. It's not the biggest, but it's not the smallest. It's just right, as Goldilocks would say. It's light enough to where you can lug it around, but heavy enough for you to know that it's a nice, solid, well-made piece of material. You know what, guys? I'm gonna be honest. I was going to make an elaborate meal today and make it a fun cooking show, but I got lazy, and today we're just gonna heat up a frozen pizza. I've never used this before. I've actually never used any oven or grill before, basically ever. Pretty useless in that way, but I'm trying to get better. I'm trying to learn how to be a man and cook some food on a grill using propane. So here we go. Also, I feel like my posture in this whole video has been like literally so bad, and that's because I constantly feel like I'm out of frame, which I'm probably not. So I'm just gonna stand tall. Wow. Oh, that hurt. I've been standing like this for so long that it's This is now my resting position. Yeah, my posture is usually this good, like really good, almost too good to where it looks weird. But yeah, just been feeling like I've been out of frame. Comment below if I'm out of frame right now. Hey guys, sorry I had to change locations because my neighbors started playing baseball and it got a little bit loud, but right now what I'm going to do is talk about the pros and cons of what I like about this oven and what I don't like about this oven. The first pro is that this sweet baby boy is portable, coming in at a whopping 32 pounds. It is light enough to maneuver around and put it anywhere you would like to use. So I highly suggest you read the pamphlet because there's a lot of information, a lot of warning signs and danger stuff. I'm not sure how much is that for just legality, how much of it is an actual risk if you use it indoors. But basically it says do not use it indoors. It is for outdoor use only. So do with that information what you will. Read the pamphlet if you get the Camp Chef outdoor oven. Alright, the next pro on this list is that it is affordable. This baby comes in at a whopping less than $250. You guys can click the link in the description below for an amazing deal. Now, I've seen some people put this actually indoors, but they have to build it a certain way with fire-resistant materials and a lot of ventilation. And this product basically advises you not to do that, not to put it indoors at any means, probably for lawsuit reasons. So I'm going to go along with that too, and then do whatever you want, but be safe, y'all. Alright, so now the con list is actually very small because I really do like this oven. But there are a couple cons, one of them being a little bit weak insulation for the glass. I found myself when I heated up the pizza, if I, let's say, turned the nozzle to like a little bit lower fire, it did not keep the heat super well. So you kind of got to keep pumping that heat, which uses, more propane, of course. But again, to add to the pro of the list, I believe you could actually use those 1 pound canisters on this, heating up at about 400 degrees for about 6 hours. Again, don't quote me on this, but 6 to 7 hours of heating up an oven on 1 pound of propane, that is pretty efficient. Even on a con, it's not too big of a deal. Another con on this list is that you can't set a specific temperature for the oven. So if you wanted it to go to 425, you put the fire on high, it might go to 450 because you have no idea. So you kind of have to be proactive and say, oh, that's a little bit hot, lower it down. And then, you might go a little bit lower, you got to raise it up. It's a little bit, I didn't really find it too tricky, but just something to think about where you kind of have to gauge how much power you put on for the oven and then what temperature you will get. What's nice is there is, of course, a dial telling you how hot it is in there, but you can't just set it. So that's one thing that could have been very nice. Another thing I will add is that if you want to use one of those big 20-pound white refillable propane tanks, you're going to have to buy an adapter from the 20-pound tank to the 1 gallon regulator thing. I don't know the terminology, but you gotta buy an adapter hose because this is made for the 1 pound green can twist-ons. I think this thing is a-okay oven to get in my humble experience of using it for the first time. Guys, I really like this oven, and I'm so excited because in my van, I was not expecting me to actually be able to use an oven on the road. I just didn't think that was possible. And now that I have this thing, I can make cookies, I can make pizza, I can make whatever the heck I want. And I'm not limited too much by that space. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please smash the like button. And genuinely, please comment below and tell me what you guys thought. Tell me if you liked it, what you didn't like. I'm open to feedback, guys. I really want to make these videos better and better and better every time. This is my very first product review, and I had a lot of fun making it. So please, tell me what you think. Open to feedback, but not too open. Make sure it's constructive, guys. Don't just hate. Been getting a couple unnecessary hate comments recently, and it's not nice, guys. Play nice. Make sure it's helpful. I want to make the best videos possible, and I can only do that with the help of you guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.